You're new to CPA marketing and you're actually a beginner. This video right here is for you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a beginners friendly strategy which you can actually use to promote your CPA marketing offers. And this is quite going to be amazing because it's 100% free strategy. Just want to watch this video to the end and use this exact same strategy to start driving traffic to your CPA marketing offers. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I basically create videos about CPA marketing, how to make money online with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and also how to use some AI tools right here. So if you do like such content, just make sure you do go on to checking out my videos right there. They should be helpful to you in making extra income online. And with that being said, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So first things first, guys, you want to just simply go on to getting CPA marketing offers, which you can actually go on to promoting. You could use CPA Grip right here. Go on to login into an account. If you don't have an account, click on register. You can just simply create an account by just filling out the form which will be shown right there. If you do click on login and log into your account, you should be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. If you do go on to clicking on the offer tools section and my offers, you'll be able to see offers available to a specific demographic. You could filter offers to any demographic of your choice. Supposing I want to promote offers to the United States, I could just simply select that right now and I'll be shown offers available to that demographic right there. So you can see right now, guys, that all these offers are available to the United States demographic. You can see right here the payout of this offer. This offer actually pays about $2.82. This one pays $2.09. This $2.09, $1.66 right here. So guys, if you do try as much as possible to get successfully to these offers, you can start making some cool cash doing so. As you can see right now, there are different categories of offer: the mobile install offer, email and zip submit offer, and a lot more other types of offers right now. So guys, in order for you to promote this offer, we're going to be using a very free and unique strategy. So for this right now, guys, you want to just simply take advantage of this platform called the Opus Clip. And this platform right here is an amazing tool where you can go on to repurposing long YouTube videos. So you can actually convert a long video to 10 viral clips, and you can actually create videos faster with the help of this AI tool. And all you actually have to do is to come right here, drop in a YouTube video, and you'll be able to go on to clicking on get clip, and you'll get 10 viral clips for that YouTube video. And the thing about this is that it's actually best suitable for 15 minutes long video right there, or 15 minutes and above long video right now. And you can see right now that it's actually good for video podcasts, educational videos, commentary videos, product reviews, motivational speeches, and it's not also good for vlogs, gaming videos, music videos, and a lot more others right now. So make sure you do go on to YouTube and grab hold of video right now. So if I do go to YouTube and search for motivational videos, if I do search for motivational speech right now, I'll be able to see a lot of videos about motivational speeches, and I could just simply go on to right clicking on the video right now and copy the link address. And if I do head on to Opus Clip and I do go on to signing up for an account, as you can see, you could sign up right here. It's actually free to sign up, and I'll be brought to a dashboard which will look similar to this right now. So guys, you do actually have about 4 or 2 hours of video upload right here if you do register for free on this platform. But this platform actually do have some paid plans right there. If you want to know more about the paid plans and the pay structure, click on pricing right here, and you'll be brought to a page where you're able to see the paid plans and the pricing system of this particular platform. But if you do register for free, you do get up to about 2 hours of video upload right here, meaning that, guys, if you do go on to getting a video on YouTube, as you can see, this video is about 16 minutes long right now. If you do go on to you placing that particular link on the Opus Clip, it's actually going to remove that 16 minutes from your 2 hours right there. So you'll be left with about an hour and 44 minutes right there. So guys, that's how this actually works. So what you want to do right here is to come right now, paste in that particular link, and you can see right now it's actually analyzing that YouTube video link. So once it analyzed that, you could see it came up with that particular video or thumbnail for that video right now. You could see you could go on to selecting the preferred clip length. You could use the automatic, the less than 30 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds, 60 to 90 seconds, 90 to 30 to 3 minutes right here. So I'm just going to leave that on automatic right now. You could also come right here and put in keywords which you want to use right here. And if I do set that based on my preference. I'm just going to come right here and click on get clip in one click. And if I do click on that, guys, it's actually going to go on to analyzing this clip. As you can see right now, it's fetching my video. You can see it came up with the title of this video, which is Control Your Mind. And if you don't check that with YouTube right here, it's actually the same video right now. If I head back to this platform right here, as you can see, it's actually analyzing and estimating this video right here. So you can see it gave me an estimated time for getting my video about 10 minutes. And in 10 minutes, guys, this my single video will be splitted into about 10 viral clips. And those 10 viral clips can actually do help you go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers. So as this particular video is being processed, you want to just simply use this strategy or this time right now to go on to gaining access to this platform, which is called the Linktree, and it's called the linktr.ee. If you do head onto this platform right now, guys, you could just simply use a single link to represent multiple links. And once you do head right here, you could sign up for free. You want to put in the username which you want right here for your account, and just simply click on claim your Linktree. And if you do that, guys, and log into your account, as you can see, I'm actually promoting multiple CPA marketing offers right here for the United States demographic. And how do you want to add more offers, or how do you want to add offers to your Linktree? Click on add link right here. You want to just simply go onto that CPA marketing offer which you want to add. Supposing I want to add this offer right now, I'm going to click on that. You can see your unique affiliate link right here. If you do copy this link right now, head back to your Linktree and go on to pasting that right here. If you do click on add, it's actually going to tell you that that's an unsafe URL, because that URL is directly from the CPA marketing platform. So what you want to do right now is to head on to any link shortener website of your choice. You could use the Kotlin, you could use the tinyurl.com or any other link shortener out there. I'm just going to use tinyurl to shorten that lengthy link. Paste in that link right here, click on shorten URL and get the new URL right here. I can copy this right now, head back to my Linktree and actually do go on to changing this link right now. If I do paste in the new link and do click on enter, you can see right here that that new link has been accepted. What you want to do right now is to just simply come back to CPA Grip, copy this title for this offer right now, head back to your Linktree and actually do go on to changing that title right now. So if I do change that right here, as you can see, it has actually been changed in this preview section. So you want to make sure you do go on to adding multiple CPA marketing offers. Add as many CPA marketing offers as you can for this particular section. And you want to just simply put in a header such as this, which I did right here, only for United States residents. And you can actually do come right here once you're done adding as many CPA marketing offers of your choice. Copy the Linktree link and actually do go on to pasting that in a new tab to preview that right now. So guys, you can see my Linktree link right here. It's still loading up, but you can see how it actually looks like. This is how it's actually going to look like for your audience right there. You can just simply go on to clicking on any one of these links right now and going to take them to that CPA marketing offer for them to gain access to. And if they do complete that, you're going to get paid some cool affiliate commission doing so. So once you're actually done with that, guys, you want to just simply copy your Linktree link and head on to Instagram to go on to creating a cool Instagram account. And once you do create a cool Instagram account, you want to make sure your account actually have a cool banner, cool profile picture, cool profile name, and also make sure you do go on to setting up the bio of your account. As you can see, this person's bio of his account is actually driving towards promoting a link right here, and here is the link right now. This person right now is actually an advertising / marketing firm where they actually do go on to self-development and business tips. They help you with to grow your life. They actually help you earn $100 or $100,000 a month on YouTube, and it's actually a free training. You can see the link right here. You want to just simply do the same thing, directing them towards the link right here for a giveaway link in the description or the bio of your account. Paste in that particular Linktree link right here in the bio of your account. And guys, for you to get traffic to that, you want to just simply use the video clip that will actually be generated from Opus Clip. So I'm going to pause this video right now until Opus Clip is actually done generating that particular video. So basically right now, guys, this AI tool actually had some problems with this particular video right now, but you can actually do check out other videos right here which I've actually analyzed with this particular website right now. If I do go on to clicking out on this video, you'll be able to see right now how it actually went on to splitting this particular video into about 10 viral clips. You can see right here that this is the first video right now, this is the second, this is the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, even up to 13 videos right here. As you can see, that's how cool this AI actually is. We splitted this up to 14 videos right now, and you can just simply go on to checking out each video right here. So guys, right now guys, you can see the score for the first video right now is about 99% score, which means that it has a more probability of going viral as a YouTube short, TikTok video, or also Instagram reels. And you can see that right in here. You can see right now guys, this has 94% score or 94 score right now. This one right here, 90 score, 85, 84, 82, 81, 79, 78, 76, 74, 73, and it keeps on going on and on. So guys, you want to just simply go on to grabbing out each and every one of this video. You could just simply go on to downloading this video right now and go on to posting that on your Instagram team page or your YouTube account right there, or maybe your TikTok account, so actually start getting a lot of traffic to such account right there. And because those videos are actually going to help you go viral, or actually going to go viral right there, it's actually going to help you get a lot of engagement to your account. And you just want to make sure that your Linktree link right here is in the bio of your account, so that once a lot of people are coming to your account, they'll be able to see that Linktree link and go on to completing that particular offer right there. To actually deliberately drive more traffic to this particular link in the bio of your account, just simply go onto Canva right now. And if you do head on to Canva, go on to editing that video right here and put in a simple call to action such as this, which says giveaway link in the description of the video. That's if you're actually using a YouTube video right here. If you want to use something more like Instagram right now, you just want to put in something like giveaway link in the bio of video, and you want to just simply go on to exporting that video and go on to putting that right now on your Instagram reels. And if you post that right there guys, as that particular video do go viral, you're actually going to be driving them to your link right there in the bio of your account, which is actually your Linktree link that promotes multiple CPA marketing offers. And this is an amazing strategy which you want to take advantage of even as a beginner. Grab hold of this right now and start driving a lot of traffic to your CPA marketing offers. And I hope this video did help you. If yes, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bells are turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.